Well, hey, good morning. It is 7:30 a.m. on Thursday morning. This time next week, I will be in Germany. Yay! So excited. Leaving bright and early this morning to go to a meeting at work. And I have about a good 30-minute ride, maybe even a little longer depending upon traffic. But I just want to give you a little update about the eyelash extensions that if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I went and had them done the other night. They're awesome, and I've had no problems other than still my eye is a little red on that side due to the patch that she put underneath. I think a little bit was touching my eye during the procedure, but I don't know that for sure. But it's a lot better than it has been, but the bloodshot vessels do take some time to get absorbed, some of the blood that and the inflammation. So I'm not worried about it, and I feel really good. Some questions that I've been getting from you guys are really good questions. One of them, sorry, I'm just trying to get out of this road here. One of them was about if I can feel them. And truth be told, I don't feel them at all. Again, she used the lightest kind on me for a very natural look. And due to the frailness of my own eyelashes, she was afraid to put the heavy ones on. So today, I am walking around with the lightest ones that will not hurt my own eyelashes. And because of that, I feel nothing. I feel absolutely nothing, which is really nice. Like, I am able to sleep and wash my face and do what I need to do. And here comes the sun. OMG. Without feeling anything. They're not like in my frame of vision. They're not, you know, I think that's the difference between the ones that are super heavy and overloaded as opposed to something a little bit more natural. That's what she seems to, you know, to say, and I believe that. So let me just take a sip of water because I'm dying of thirst. Hold on, guys. Every morning when I wake up, I pretty much chug a bottle of water. And because I was trying to get ready for this meeting this morning, I really didn't drink, so I brought it with me. So that is that. If you guys have any questions or want to see an eyelash video, let me know in the comments below. Thumbs up so I know you're interested, and I'll be happy to do that. I did try to film. I did like a little intro before I was going to get them done, and with the intention of recording actually inside the place, but she said that it was just, you know, my first time there, and she kind of wanted the one-on-one time, you know, time to discuss what I wanted and things like that. So I respected and appreciated that. I really did. I thought that was nice, and hopefully next time I could bring the camera in and show you exactly what she does. Another question was, how long do they last? They last as long as you take care of them. However, a natural occurrence in the human body is that our eyelashes do fall out and new ones come in, just like our hair. So they recommend like once a month, you know, like 3 to 4 weeks coming in for a fill-in. And it depends on, let me close this a little bit. I can't. Can you see me? Oh, guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting. I'm driving into the sun. That's crazy. She said depending upon the person and the cycle of their eyelashes, like how fast they grow, that all plays into how often you need to go get a fill-in. But I get my nails done, and I usually go every 3 weeks. Sometimes I push it to every 4. Just depends. But in the summertime, my nails grow like I was using Miracle Grow on them. They just grow super fast. In the winter, they have a tendency to grow a little bit slower. So I don't know, but my eyelashes being as frail as they were, she said, and I did have some areas of sparseness. You know, I'm hoping that I can stretch it a little bit. So we'll see what happens. This is my first experience with them, but I've wanted to do it for so long. I've just been you know, kind of hesitant and scared to do it, but I'm really glad I did, because it made this morning so easy. You know, heating up your eyelash curler with the blow dryer and holding it on your face, and then trying to find the waterproof mascara, the right kind to hold the curl of the eyelashes. What a pain in the butt that's been for the last years and years and years. But this now, all I did was just put a little eyeshadow on, and I'm like out the door. Super simple. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to see. I can't wait to see what the heck was that? The whole thing just flew off, and anyway, oh my god. Okay, so I can't wait to see the sun. I'm sorry. I can't wait to see what happens in Germany. Here, while I'm at a red light, check it out. I don't know if you can see. See the eyelashes? How freaking easy. I can't wait to see what it's like when I go on vacation and, you know, have nothing going on except fun and, you know, look at the eyelashes. Now you can probably see better. Can you see them? Super easy. If you're thinking of getting extensions, guys, try it out. I think the best way to go about it, though, is if you know somebody that gets their eyelashes done, find a place that's reputable, because, you know, I said this the other day and I had everybody cracking up. I'm like, we only have 2 eyes. And they're like, whoa, you're bright. We only have 2 eyes. And because we only have 2 eyes, and, you know, they are affected by so many different things, you want to go to a clean, experienced person. You don't want any kind of eye infection. You don't want any kind of craziness. You just want your eyes to be healthy. And so anyway, I took a friend's her opinion on the place that she goes to, and then of course I did my own research, because I wanted to see this what kind of salon it was in, what kind of person was going to be doing it, their experience, and the whole 9 yards. So obviously anybody can make up a website and put it on the internet. I'm just one of those people that like to research, and even though I do that, do I know if that website is true? Oh, the sun is brutal today. I have to believe it is, and I can't be such a cynic, but anyway, I go there, and she couldn't be more pleasant. You know, talked to me about the whole process, asked me what I wanted. She was touching my eyelashes, feeling them out, and, you know, she could have taken a ton of money and given me what I wanted, because what I wanted was the Glam Volume Baboom, where you can see them from like 6 feet away. And she could have done that, and it was the most expensive you could go. But again, she told me that my eyelashes wouldn't have done well with them at this stage in the game. She said they're too frail, they're too weak, and if she put those heavy eyelashes on, my own eyelashes likely would have broken. And I thought that was super nice, and like, I had so much respect for her at that point, because anybody could go and take your money and do whatever and not really care about your eyelashes. But this lady, she was right on. Like, this was half the cost of what I wanted, and that was fine with her. So I tipped her very well. I thought it was super nice of her. Whoa, mister. She also told me that I should buy some kind of eyelash serum conditioner for my eyes, so that I can get my eyelashes strong and healthy, and then she would be able to use some more of the volume lashes. You know what, while I'm driving, I'm gonna eat a protein bar, because it's it's too early. It's not even 8 o'clock. I usually eat at 9, so I'm gonna hold off. But I'm hungry. But I'm gonna hold off and drink my water. What else can I tell you about them? The process was painful, very relaxing. She had a really nice room. The aesthetic was lovely. It had a big table that you lay on with nice fuzzy, like a beautiful cover. I don't know. But then she had like medicine. And she had like doctor's office paper on the table, which was nice because that again is clean. Shows me that there's some sense of, you know, keeping as clean as we can be. And I really appreciated that. She had piano music, like classical music playing in the background, a fan, the AC was on. Like, I was so relaxed. And there was one point where I almost dozed off, I have to be honest, but I didn't. But yeah, I mean, I really enjoyed the experience, and we'll see how they go. I didn't find any lashes missing or on tissue or anything when I cleaned my eyes. When I put my makeup on, everything's good. So far so good. Getting ready for our trip. That's pretty exciting. We are, as a group, we are, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 of us going. We're going to be meeting up with Jess's family in Germany. He's got relatives there, so I believe on Saturday night we're going to be having dinner out somewhere with them, so I'm excited to meet them. That part of the family I've never met, so that should be fun. The big show that they're doing is like an outdoor, all day kind of, like if you were alive in the 80s and you lived in New York, New Jersey area. Well, I know it was all over, but they had a tour going on called Monsters of Rock, and it was all these rock bands. And when I went, it was at Giant Stadium, and I was in the sun the whole time. That's where our seats were. I got so sunburned, but there were so many bands, and it was such an awesome concert. Kind of like, again, I'm trying to just reference the size of what this is like. They had those Live Aid concerts back then and whatnot. So anyway, there's going to be thousands of people, and we're so excited, and I can't wait to vlog this thing. I just hope everything goes well. And yeah, so that's it. So that's in my near future. Brittany and Kevin, my son and my daughter, are and have been in North Carolina for the last week. They will be coming home this weekend, only to turn around and 2 days later go down to Florida to see my parents. So I'm having somebody stay at the house to watch the dogs. And yeah, so it's very strange, and I really don't like the quietness in my house. I miss my kids. I just miss the commotion. Someone always around, you know. Jess works till, you know, late hours, and when I come home, I don't mind unwinding, but I just love to be in a house full of people and conversation, and that's just me. I love that. I love my quiet time, don't get me wrong, but it's been, you know, it's been like a long week without them, and it's just starting to get to me a little bit. So yeah, so I'm obviously a people person, guys. I love to be around people, and when it's super quiet, I'm just like, what do I do with myself? So anyway, that's that. I'm just rambling, driving here on the Garden State Parkway. No traffic in my lane, thank God. There's a ton of traffic on the other side here. Trying to get off at exit, what are they at, 154? I have to go to 145 because I am traveling to West Orange, New Jersey for this meeting. Joy to the world. The eating plan is going very well again. I'm excited. I am continuously losing weight. There's been a lot of new clients coming on board, and everybody is doing amazing. You know, you got to remember that the sum of your losses add up. I'm only averaging 1 to 2 pounds a week. That's it. But I'm above 25 pounds lost at this point. Everything adds up. And every week it's consistent weight loss, week after week after week. That's all I can expect. What else can I expect? You know, and everybody's doing the same. There are a couple people that, you know, if they're 2 pounds lost, they're disappointed. I don't know why. I think it's fantastic. If you could lose 2 pounds in a week, that's amazing. Because almost everybody that I talk to has been stuck. They couldn't lose any weight before this. So 2 pounds is good. People, 2 pounds is good. Take it and run. So anyway, that's going good. If you have any questions about that, I am a certified health coach for the company. It's free to you if you are on the plan. And I just love helping. That's my mission in life. That's why I'm a nurse. I have a passion for helping people. So with that and the opportunity given to me by Optavia, I am able to help hundreds of people, if not at some point thousands, just like the impact I have here on YouTube. And I love it. And I am so proud of everybody. And I love to get the text messages and the phone calls, and just, you know, I love the interaction. So it is wonderful. Life is very good right now. We are healthy and happy, and our jobs are good, the family's good. Like right now things are amazing, and I just hope it stays that way, because, you know, sometimes when things are going really well, there's always a curveball. But whatever it may be, that's the way life is. So anyway, I'm happy, I'm doing well, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I guess I'll cut off here and focus on my driving, even though I'm focused, but you know what I'm saying. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching this little car vlog, and I will talk to you guys all soon. Like I said, if you have any questions about the eyelashes or want to know anything, you know, I'll be more than happy to answer that. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day, everybody. Stay focused. Bye, guys.